Hey guys, so I've been working on an exciting project here. I've been putting together this scene, and this is it in post-production. This is it finished. We've got beautiful god rays coming in here. We've got this fantastic displacement here on the walls coming in. We've got this lovely detail here on the floor. We've got candles. I'm going to show you how I built these models, how I built these candles, how I did the stained glass windows, how I built these different textures that you have in here. And we're going to go through this step by step until you end up with this finished product. I'm going to start off with the walls and so on, and I'm going to be releasing these. Well, I'll be releasing them depending on how much time I have. I'm hoping I have a bit of time now. And we'll get this over to you so you can duplicate the scene and put it together in the same way. And we're going to go through the post-production results. This is how it looked out of the box, out of V-Ray, out of 3ds Max. And with post-production, I've got it changed around and looking like this. So basically I started off with this image, and I thought I'd copy this and work on this. And this is a shot from the Netflix. I saw this on Netflix. This is from October Faction. So I thought I'd copy this, and of course I added my own flair to it, and this is what we've ended up with here. So I'll start with the first lesson, and I'll break down the first steps in creating this, and then I'm going to be aiming to publish 1 or 2 lessons on this. I'm aiming to publish 1 or 2 lessons a week. That's what I'm going for. I've got everything recorded. I've got all the lessons done. So it's 1 or 2 a week, and you'll end up with this. And this is the scene. Let's get started.